This video contains a bunch of content that is not made for younger or specific users. So watch at your own risk.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I love pole dancing! Wait, what happened to my sexy voice? What am I looking at? Ew! What is this? Darn, just one more page and I would have finished this book. What has my dad become? Hopefully she has some collector rings. Overused joke alert. I'm not looking. Me neither. I'm forced to look at it. Now I am traumatized. Uni, why is it getting dark? Oh, hell yeah, Millie. Shake it!
Hey, back off!
Oh, man, mate. I was watching that. What the Santa is going on? Good thing we made it back. Wait. What the hell is this arrangement of YouTube thumbnails?